Tonight we're going to be making one of Wyatt's favorite dinners, crispy Cajun chicken. And we've made this with all kinds of chicken. Chicken legs, chicken thighs, chicken breasts. The important thing is that it has skin on it. So it gets nice and crispy. We're going to be using all of these spices right here. And we're going to be using Chivada's chicken barbecue marinade, which is mostly apple cider vinegar and some garlic. Usually use some vinegar with this chicken, but I love this marinade to put that on anything that I would use vinegar for. So we're going to start, Wyatt, we're going to start with a bowl, and we're going to open up all these chickens, and we're going to put them in this bowl. You want to dump that in the bowl for me? Just pick it up and dump it right in there. There you go. Let's put that on the garbage.
Oh, this is heavy.
You want to do this one? Alright, take this, put this in there. Alright, everything we're going to be making is going to be gluten-free, and this is actually Whole30 compliant, this dinner we're making right here with this chicken. So we're gonna get a measuring cup here. This is a half cup. We're going to measure out how much of this mixture and shake it up. So this is a half cup. And then we're going to put in another half cup. We're going to mix this around first in our marinade. Mix up all that chicken. Alright, we're going to add some adobo, some garlic powder. Shake that on there. I'm going to put it over here for later. We're going to put on some onion powder. We're going to put that off to the side. We got some poultry seasoning. Shake that in there. We have some roasted garlic and herb seasoning. You open that up. Shake that in. Put these over here for later. We got some Montreal chicken seasoning. Shake that in. And we got some Bayou Cajun seasoning. We're going to put that on there too. Alright? So we're going to add all of these spices. All these spices in here. And we're just going to shake it so we coat it up like this. And then we're going to stir it up so that we get these spices. You can use your hands, or you can use tongs. You can use a big spoon. I'm just gonna, for purposes, I'm just gonna get my hands in there and just mix it all up like that. So the juices and the spices are all mixing together and getting in all the nooks and crannies. Alright, so you can see right there, you see all those herbs and spices on both sides. Alright, so that's nice and mixed. Alright, so I wash my hands real quick. Alright, so we're done with this. Put these spices over here for now. Mix this over here. Set the oven to bake for 350. Alright, so we're gonna bake this chicken in the oven for 25 minutes, and then we're going to put it on high broil for 5 minutes to get it nice and crispy. Right? We're going to use this pan right here. This is nice. This is a nice pan because it's going to have a lot of chicken juices coming in here, and we want to keep all those juices from falling into the stove. Just spray the pan down. And then we just start taking our chicken and laying it down on this pan right here real nice. Making sure the skin is laid out real nice. You see that there? Let's fix that skin, right? You see that? Fix this up. See how the skin kind of falls off, and then you want to fix it so it's going to be nice and crispy. Laid out flat, gets the heat nice. This is 2 big packs of chicken thighs. Alright, so let's see what we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 chicken thighs. Think that'll be enough for everyone?
How many people are there?
There's going to be 7 people tonight.
Yep.
Alright, that's good. Alright, so now we're going to start seasoning it again. We're going to do this on the top. This makes it nice. You like the crispy skin the way it tastes, right?
Yeah.
That's your favorite part, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we put some of this garlic powder, Goya adobo garlic powder on there. I start with the finest powders. Then the poultry seasoning. Sprinkle that on. Then the Montreal chicken seasoning. Sprinkle that on. This has the salt in it, this one. Makes it nice and salty.
Salty and crispy.
Some roasted garlic seasoning. Garlic and herbs. And now our Cajun seasoning, so that we have our crispy Cajun chicken thighs.
Yeah. Crispy Cajun.
So I just have a generous portion of these spices on here, obviously. And they will crisp up on that top skin. There you go. So you can see it's nice and coated. It's coated nice and evenly. Has a nice coat on there. So as soon as the oven's at 350 degrees, we're going to just throw this tray in the oven. Set the timer for 25 minutes. We're going to peek in there to see if the juices have come out and are filling up this tray. And then we're going to put on the broiler for high. And we're going to get the top all nice and crispy. Alright, let's take a look. We got 2 minutes left. We got it set for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. And look at all those juices. That is looking great. Alright, so what we're going to do is when those 2 minutes are up right there, we're going to leave the chickens in there and put them on high broil for another 5 minutes until they have the perfect crispy color. Okay, it's been on high broil for 5 minutes. Let's take a look. Alright, it's starting to get crispy. I'm going to put it on for another 5 minutes. I'm going to check every 3 minutes to see. You can see some of it's getting nice and browned over there, but it could be a little more crispy. So I'm going to put it on for another 5 minutes. So now let's take a look. I've been looking about every 2 minutes, and that is starting to look good. See how it's not starting to get, oh, look back there. It's starting to get really good. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on for another 5 minutes, but I'm going to check every 2 minutes because that's just starting to get perfect. Okay, let's take a look at this. We can turn that off. We got 2 minutes left. So it was in for 13 minutes on high broil.
It was.
So let's turn that off. Let's take a look at this. All right. Oh, look at all those juices. All right. Uh-oh. Get a second. Man, that's heavy. All right.
Excuses.
Getting old. Oh yeah, let's put that up here. All right. Doesn't that look nice and crispy right here? Look at that. This is really nice crispy. And you see all that juice? That's how you know it's done, when all those juices come up and the skin on top starts to shrink up. So we had it in 25 minutes at 350 degrees on bake. And then we had it in for 13 minutes on high broil. But you need to check to make sure it doesn't burn, because if you don't pay attention, it'll burn real quick. You want to check every 2 or 3 minutes after the first 5 minutes to make sure that it's cooking nicely and it doesn't overburn when you crisp it up. Okay? Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right. Let's let it cool for about 5 minutes, and then we'll plate it, and then we can eat it all up. Okay? All right. We put this chicken, this nice crispy chicken here. It's nice and crispy. You can hear it crunching. Put it right on some Zatarain's yellow rice, and then we can get a spoon and get some of these juices over here, and we can put that all over our chicken or all over our rice. Give it some nice flavor. This juice is really good. So we'll take this and we'll put it all over everything on our dish. And we got some nice sauteed kale right here to go with it. So crispy Cajun chicken, Zatarain's yellow rice, and some delicious sauteed garlicky kale. And that is a delicious dinner.